What's up, y'all? Good morning. About to get on the market. You can currently see it about to be 8:50. If I look irritated or slightly annoyed, it's not because of y'all. It's because I had errands to do today. And turns out when I was getting out my fucking car, my car keys and my wallet fell out in the car. Thankfully, it was in the car. And obviously, I locked the car before I went inside. And yeah, now I gotta figure out a way to get in the fucking car, or I gotta call a locksmith and pay God knows how much for them to unlock my car. But we're not gonna worry about that as much as of right now. We're gonna, stay focused on the charts and see if anything ends up showing while we're on here. If it doesn't, then oh well. It seems like I already see something that can possibly be decent. Alrighty then. This is the only one I can possibly do. And just to save time, I'm gonna just go ahead and end the recording here, and then cut back to where I'm actually, about to enter or letting you guys know I'm not trading today. What's up, y'all? As you guys can see, it's done drastic movement, and the only reason I'm possibly looking at entering is because this area here, it's gonna smack above, get all this liquidity as well, hit the area of interest. So it most likely may go up above, smack the liquidity as well, enter and reject, and then go to reach for these lows. So, and as well in this trade, I'm gonna see the risk around $2,000. So I'll probably do 1,750. So I'm gonna do this and this. Do 1,200. I'm gonna do yeah, it seems I can't even do the amount that I want. So I'll go ahead and just do what I can. So how much margin I have left? So it seems like I'll only be able to do 800, which is more than okay. I don't really mind. So we have 5 trades, 900 in total on risk. If it goes ahead and touches my entry, I want it to break past this fair value gap here. But if it doesn't hit my entry and it so happens to break down past this fair value gap, then I will not enter and I'll take away the pending limits. Till then, we're just gonna wait and see. Just had good rejection as it just entered, hit where the initial entry tends to be, and rejected. But like I said, if it goes ahead and breaks past here, then I'll just close the limit and I'll leave that for the end of the day. Obviously not trade anymore. It's 10 o'clock, so it's already a good amount of time that I've been waiting for a setup. And it's still NAS 100, as we can see here on the other markets, just to show you guys. I had this one set up on US 30, but obviously we don't see nothing here. And gold, it's been doing its own thing, so I'd rather just not touch it. As we can see here, it had a very good rejection as it touched on the blue, previous blue candle before it broke down and broke structure. It's possible that it can still go up and hit this level over here before rejecting, or if possibly it goes for highs and breaks through. But until then, we won't see. So I'm just gonna wait, like I said, wait to see if it breaks past structure or if it uses it as support to come back and then break past the lows. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it playing out for now. It seems like it's gonna break under, which is perfectly fine. But yeah. Alright, as you guys saw, it broke under. I'm going to see within the next 2 candles if it tends to use that as support or if it continues to follow through and break past structure. If it does that, then I'll officially cancel the limits. But if it continues to break through, I'm gonna cancel the limit. So if it goes further down, but if it supports, comes back up, then obviously I'll leave it there for potential entries. But if it comes up, rejects, and then breaks through once again, a second time past this fair value gap, then I'll go ahead and cancel the limits. Either way, it seems like I might cancel it either way after this candle, as it's showing rejection after it keeps trying to support back up. As you guys can see, within these past couple minutes, it's been very volatile, and there's been heavy movement. As well as we can see here, it's showing support on this candle, and it's gonna be the same as I did the day before on Tuesday. That if it comes back up, it doesn't enter, and it's using this as a support as a second time, I'm gonna just go ahead and cancel them either way, because I don't want to risk it creating a structure level for it to continue going to highs, and then me allowing it to hit my entry to then possibly take me out. But I'll allow one support system, so I can use it as a way to reach the high that it needs to hit before going in my favor. Just let it do its thing. Whatever. Alright, as we see here, it came back down and it's using it as support again, and I'm just not gonna risk it, and I'd rather just close the limits now. If it ends up being a winner, then so be it, whatever, but at least I don't have to take in the risk of whatever would have kept going up. So that's it for today. I don't believe I'm gonna trade anything else. Let's see how US30 is looking. Try. I'm gonna leave it for a little bit so we can see what it ends up doing, or I'll add a picture right now of what it ends up looking like right here. Yeah, my bad for the awkwardness there. I just never did that shit before, so I don't know how or where to point. But yeah, right here, I'll show what it ends up looking like. Nice. Later on while I'm editing the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, once again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments down below so you can continue watching my journey from broke to rich. See when I get that M340i. Dale.